Today we're going to make French press coffee using this 34-ounce French press carafe. It features the stainless steel mesh filter. Now first we'll remove the lid and add the coffee grounds. If you have a coffee grinder, it's best to use medium grind coffee, although you can use pre-ground coffee from the store. Now it's recommended to use 1 tablespoon of coffee per 4 ounces of water. I don't like mine quite that strong. You'll want to adjust the amount to your taste. Now we need to boil some water. Okay, our water is boiling. We'll want to let it set for about 30 seconds, as our ideal temperature for our coffee is going to be about 200 degrees. So I'm going to give that just a few more seconds. Okay, and now we're going to pour this into our coffee slowly. Alright, now we want to stir with a wooden spoon. You don't want to use metal, as it could chip your carafe, cause it to break. Alright. Now we'll put our lid on, and we'll let it steep for about 4 minutes. Okay, we're coming up on 4 minutes. I don't like to ask people to like and subscribe, but if you want to, I would appreciate it. So now we're going to take our French press and we're going to press. We want to do this slowly. There we go. Now, all we have to do is enjoy. It's so good.